Step 1 is to download a file. Step 2 is to upload your new save file to this website. And Step 3 is to get paid for each visitor that you bring in. In today's video, I'll show you a brand new website that will reward you with free PayPal money for every click you make. To get started, all you'll need is a smartphone, a computer, an internet connection, as well as 3 steps that I'll show you in this video. Step 1 is to go to a website and create a free Google account, and so on and so forth. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now, later on, I'll reveal this very secret tool to you, so stay tuned, and this is what you're gonna notice right away. This website is similar to Google, so it's basically another search engine just like Google, but this one's actually gonna pay you to get them visitors. This is a brand new search engine that's trying to compete with Google, and it's willing to pay people to get them brand new visitors to their website. So, for the first step, come over to this website, then on the top right hand corner, you're gonna see the hamburger tab. Click on this hamburger menu tab and you're gonna see the menu pop up, and you're gonna see all the different things that this website features: Facebook, articles, advertising, SEO, and different services, but the one you're gonna look for is called affiliate. Click on affiliate, then you're gonna see this page right here where you can sign up to their affiliate program, and you're gonna start getting paid 20 cents for every new visitor that you get them. So whenever somebody just visits this platform, you're gonna get paid. They don't have to buy anything, sign up, create an account, go through any trouble at all. All they literally have to do is click on your link and go to the URL of this website, search, and you're gonna start making money. So go to this page right here and we can break down the details real quick. You're basically gonna get paid for every click. Anytime somebody visits this platform, they have a high conversion rate because again, they don't actually have to buy anything. Everything's gonna be free once they click. That's when you make money. Anyone and everyone can join, so this will be worldwide as well. Anybody watching this video right now can join this program and start making money with it, and it's gonna be free and easy to sign up. You can sign up to their affiliate program in just minutes, and then you can start posting your link and start making money, and you can scroll to the bottom for some more common questions like how will you get paid? You're gonna get paid via PayPal, so make sure you have a PayPal account set up and ready, and you're gonna get paid out once you reach a $50 minimum. So once you have $50 in your account, you can cash out via PayPal, and you're also gonna see down here what you're not allowed to do. So one thing that you're not allowed to do is try to scam the system by clicking on your own link. You can't be an affiliate for yourself and just continue to click on your link and try to scam the system. You obviously got to get other people, brand new users, to come over to this website, search it up so you can start making money. So for that, come over to this page right here, then you're gonna click on create an account. After that, you can create an account using some basic information like your name, your email, adding in your own tracking ID. So inside of here, you're basically gonna add in your own little nickname or ID that's gonna be tracking your account. So add that inside of here, fill out the rest of this information right here at the bottom. You don't need a website, so when you see website, this is optional. You don't need a website, just fill out the rest of this basic information. Click on this little box where you agree to the terms and conditions, then click on sign up. Then you're gonna get access to your affiliate back office. Inside of here, you're gonna see your special affiliate link. Anytime somebody clicks on your link, that's when you're gonna get paid per visitor. So again, all people have to do is click on this link so you can start making money, and inside here, you're gonna see all of your stats, so you'll see exactly how many clicks you've gotten and how much money you made so far. You're gonna be tracking all that inside of your back office, but for now, all you want to do is copy your affiliate link. Then you want to use this website called bit.ly.com to shorten and clean up your affiliate link. So you're going to copy your affiliate link, paste it inside of this box right here, click on shorten, and it's going to clean up and shorten your link. Now you want to copy your link and go to step number 2. For step number 2, you're going to come to this website called canva.com. Canva is a free graphic design website that basically lets you create graphic designs in any type of market for Instagram, for websites, for social media pages. It lets you create video presentations inside of here. It lets you create marketing designs like business cards, flyers, and logos. So what we're gonna do for step number 2 is create a design that's gonna start making us money. Come over to canva.com, create a free account inside of here, then you're gonna click right here where it says presentations, then you're gonna click on the very first one where it says presentations right here. After that, you can use canva.com to create a brand new presentation around the website we just discovered that we're gonna be making money with our secret tool for the day. So basically all you're gonna do is create a brand new presentation where you pretty much feature the website. So what I would do is go ahead and click on one of these templates right here and start using the template to create a 2 or 3 page presentation. So inside of here, what I'm going to do is check this out. Just simply edit the text. So all you got to do is click on the text to edit it. And what I basically typed in is a online search made easier and better. Again, talking about our secret website in the second slide, I basically go over exactly what is our website of the day, which is EntireWeb. EntireWeb is a global leading supplier in the search technology solutions, and I basically got this information right here by going over to entireweb.com and clicking on the little hamburger tab at the top again, then scrolling down and clicking on About right here, and I basically got all the info from entireweb.com itself, then just basically copied and pasted this onto my presentation. Now, at the very bottom right here, I'm basically going to tell people that if they want to try EntireWeb for free, click here, and inside of here, I'm going to paste my affiliate link, the short link that I got from bit.ly.com. That's basically going to pay me every time somebody visits EntireWeb. I'm going to paste it inside of here, highlight it, and at the very top, I'm going to click on link. Paste my link inside of the box that pops up right here, and it's going to automatically add my affiliate link to this presentation right here. After that, all you got to do is scroll up to the top, then you're going to click on download right here. Then after that, you want to make sure it says PDF standard. It's going to show a few different options like PNG, JPEG, PDF print, but you just want PDF standard. Then click on download and check this out. It's going to download the PDF to your computer where you can start making money, and you can see right here, once somebody clicks right here, once I click, I'm going to automatically go over to entireweb.com, and again, that's exactly when I'm going to start making money. Finally, for step number 3, I'm going to show you how to upload your PDF to this website so you can start getting visitors and start making money. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, I will receive money online, we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Alright guys, for the last and final step, you're gonna come to this website called slideshare.net. Slideshare is basically a website that lets you share slideshow presentations for anybody that wants to learn or discover something new. So you can come on here, start posting your own slides for free, and check this out. This website right here, slideshare.net, has right around 104 million visitors a month. So over 100 million people visit this website every single month. I'm checking this out on similarweb.com. It basically gives me an insight on how many people actually visit the website, and you can see over 100 million people actually visit this website every single month. So what you're gonna do is post your new PDF presentation inside of here and start making money every time somebody visits it. Check it out. Some of these articles right here: 2 million views, 5 million views, 1 million views, 12 million views. So what you're gonna do is come over to slideshare.net. You're gonna click at the very top where it says sign up. Then you can create an account using your Facebook or your Gmail. After you log in, you're gonna click on upload at the very top, and inside of here, you're gonna upload the new PDF article that you made inside of Canva that actually has your affiliate link. So don't forget, whenever somebody downloads and clicks on it, you're gonna start making some extra money. Now come back to SlideShare, upload your new PDF inside of here, and what you're gonna do next is fill out some basic information that describes your new PDF. So you're gonna add in a title, a description, choose a category for it, and at the very bottom you're gonna click on publish. After that, your new PDF is gonna be posted on slideshare.net. All people have to do next is click on your presentation, view it, click on your link, and you're gonna start making money. And don't forget, this website right here gets over 100 million visitors a month, so definitely a lot of potential to start making some money in here. So check out those 3 websites to start making money. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.